This is an official channel of New Sadiq Public Montessori and High School. It is.
I am student of grade 5. Today I will tell you about structure of an atom. An atom has two main parts, electron and nucleus. These two main parts are proton and neutron.
Emma, you tell me which charge carry electron
Electron, negative charge,
and proton
positive charge,
and neutron?
no charge. Assalamualaikum, I am from grade 5. Today I will tell you about the structure of seed.
How many parts of seeds?
There are four main parts of seed. Seed pod, endosperm, cotyledon and embryo. Seed pod. The seed contains everything inside the seed so that it is good for germinating. The seed is also called as the some seed have a different seed pod while other one hard ones two plant the better seed pods.
Which is the another name of seed pod?
The other name of seed pod is testa.
And what is the function of endosperm?
Endosperm is a tissue that surrounds an embryo and provides a nucleus.
And tell the function of cotyledon.
Cotyledon is a seed leaf which protects the inside the seed. When it emerges, the seed left arm.
Yeah, but tell me what is embryo?
Embryo is where life starts within the seed.
Light travels in straight line. Baby plant is called embryo. Antibiotics are medicines that help to fight disease. Micro means very small.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mutaliban. I am from grade 5. Today I am going to tell you about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which helps us to see. Light travels in a straight line called wave. A collection of waves is called beam. For example, we have this structure, and when I turn on the light, as you can see, the light travels in a straight line. And colorful parts, this is black or stuff.
What is endosperm? Okay. The seed which have one cotyledon are called. Okay. Grade 5. Today we are over here to discuss some concepts of science grade 5 book. Here the concept of structure of the flower is given. You can see the diagram that has been drawn on the book. And now we are going to discuss and dissect the parts of the flower. As we have discussed in the class earlier, we have a four main parts of the flower. Anyone over here can explain me which are the four main parts of the flower?
There are four main parts of the flower: stamen, pistil, sepal, petal.
Okay, clap for her please. As she described, we have a petal over here, which is basically the covering part to protect the flower from the external outcomes of the weather, of insects and whatever you have. It protects, and when it blooms from the bud, it opens. Okay. Now we have over here pistil. Pistil is known as. Can anyone explain me? Female part of the flower. As you know, the female part is involved in the reproduction also. So we have a next part which is stem. As man is involved, that means it's the male part, and male part is also involved in reproduction. Okay. Now can anyone over here can explain me how many parts does a stamen have? Ji sir.
Stamen has four parts: anther and venom.
Anther and venom. We have over the top part is known as anther, which have pollen grains, which are responsible for the pollination as well. And then we have a filament. Basically, kind of stalk which have a pollen gland on top of it. So, filament. Now, can I explain me the parts of the female parts, Mr. This one. Stigma, style, ovary, ovule. Stigma, style, ovary, ovule. And it's a full overall part of flower.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Meera Badnan.
Okay, Meera, what are you going to do over here?
I am going to explain the structure of the flower.
And how many parts does a flower have?
The flower has 4 parts: stamen, pistil, sepal, petal.
And what you are going to explain?
I am going to explain pistil. Pistil have 4 parts: stigma, style, ovary, ovule. My name is Maria.
Mariam, what you are going to explain?
I am going to explain stamen.
And what is stamen?
Stamen is the main part of flower.
How many parts does it have? Which?
Assalamualaikum, my name is Meera and I am from grade 5 Mumbai.
Menahir, what you are going to explain?
I am going to explain 2 further parts of the flower: sepal and petal.
And what is sepal?
Sepal is used to protect the flower.
And what is petal?
Petal is colorful, which attracts insects. Assalamualaikum, my name is Sarali and I am going to present an electric circuit. Here is a battery. It has 2 terminals, negative and positive. The negative terminal is attached to the bulb and the positive terminal is attached to the switch and then to the bulb. When we switch on the switch, the bulb will on, and when we off the switch, the bulb will off. My name is Shizra Fadman. Today I am going to explain this electric circuit. Here is a battery that attached with negative wire and other one is attached with LED bulb. When we attach this, the LED bulb will turn on.
Talk about the structure of seed. A seed has basically 4 main parts. These 4 main parts are seed pod, endosperm, cotyledon, and embryo. The first we will talk about the seed pod. Basically, the seed pod is the outer cover damage. This is the origin of the seed pod. The second part is endosperm. Basically, endosperm is the empty area inside the seed. All the seed nutrients are cotyledon. Basically, the cotyledon is a small leaf that emerges from the seed. There are 2 types of cotyledons that are monocot and diploid. When there are 1 cotyledon, this seed is known as monocot, and when there are 2 cotyledons, these seeds are known as diploid. The last part is embryo. Embryo is a part of seed where the life of a seed, life of that plant begins. That part is known as embryo.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Anahazir.
Okay, madam. Now, what are you going to explain today?
We are going to explain structure of seed.
Okay, how many parts does a seed has?
Seed has 4 main parts: seed pod, endosperm, cotyledon, and embryo.
Then, can you tell me what is the function of a seed coat?
Seed is also known as testa. The outer cover of the seed is known as the seed pod. And I am going to explain in detail of the seed pod. It is an empty area that contains nutrients and the all main things the seed requires.
Okay, Dua, now can you please tell me about what is the function of a cotyledon?
Cotyledon contains the cotyledon is basically a seed. There are 2 types of cotyledon: dicot and monocot.
Then can you tell me what is the difference between a monocot and a dicot?
Yes, monocot has the 1 leaf and dicot has 2 leaves. When it grows up, the monocot grows with 1 leaf, but when dicot grows up, it grows with 2 leaves. Assalamualaikum, my name is Faika Ashraf.
Okay, now Faika, can you tell me the function of the last part, which is known as embryo?
Yes, embryo is the tiny part inside the seed.
Fatima, the earth is surrounded by a thick layer of gases called Halima. All living things need dash to live. Okay, go sit down. Hiba. The temperature of dash zones is very hot. Sit down. Arfa. Human needs trees and sit down. Ajwa. Dash is the ability to do work. Sit down. Ajwa. Heat is measured by dash. Sit down. Wajiha. Dolphin and bats send out dash waves to locate object. Sit down. Always stand up. Movement of object is called. Sit down. Zainab Wajid. Talcum powder reduce the. Iman Fazlani. Every object on earth is pulled towards the dash of the earth. Namuna. Dash is a type of friction. Paha. The dash is 2 inclined plane joined together. Sit down. Afia. Dash and technology has changed our life. Minha. We should dash item to make object. Vishal. We use dash box in emergency situation. Then we use dash box in emergency situations. The another thing, dash are used to cover the wound. Now fourth class is your science day. Now I will take your oral test. So tell me the blanks first. Start with Ishal. Ishal, mein diya stand up beta. The dash provide us heat and light. Very good. Ayla. Rainforest has divided into dash zones. Very good. Sit down. Anaya. All the water in the seas and oceans are. Very good. Ishal. Plants produce dash as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Very good. Sit down. Mishal. You tell me beta. Dash is the ability to do work. Sit down. Maheen, dash is the ability to do work.
Plants are known as? Very good. Heat is a type of? Dash regions are very cold? Very good. Bird need dash to fly? Water cover dash percent of the earth? Very good. Dash is a force that keep us on earth? All living things are mainly made up of? The intensity of sound is measured in? Okay class, now tell me the answer of the blank. Dash provides us heat and light. All the water in the sea and ocean are? Yes, Sumaya? Very good. Dash is the ability to do work. Yes, Ruba? Very good. Dolphin and bat send out dash waves to locate object. Yes, Anul? Very good. All living things need dash to live on earth. Yes, Rabia? Very good. Sit down. The earth is surrounded by a thick layer of gases which is called, yes, Minahi Lali? Very good. Sit down, Vita. All the things on the earth is pulled toward the dash of earth. Yes, and fall? Very good. Good girl. Sit down. Talcum powder reduce the dash. Yes. Abhiha. Very good. There are dash stages of water cycle. Yes, Ifra? Very good. Sit down. Who use trees for? Yes, Anavasis? Very good.
We protect our environment. Raise your hand. Stand up, Azad.
We can protect our environment by keep the earth, water, air, and our land.
Sit down. Name different types of ecosystem. Abdullah, stand up.
There are many types of ecosystems in grassland, polar region, in desert, rainforest, sea, sand, river.
Good. Sit down. Your next question is, what are natural resources? Abdullah, stand up.
Natural resources are the dead arrow naturally human has.
Sit down. Good. Define ecosystem. Abdul Basit, stand up. Good. Sit down. Your next question is, why it is difficult to walk on slippery floor? Raise your hand, boys. Ahmed, सुनाए.
Opportunities. Thanks for watching videos. Thanks for watching.